again, something super cool over here at Driven. How about gull wing doors? You don't find that on many vehicles, that's for sure. And look at this thing. This is cool. This is a replica of a 1968 Alfa Romeo Carrabbo show car. And the Alfa Romeo Carrabbo was Alfa's answer to the Lamborghini Miura. In fact, this, I'm told this is a Lamborghini Miura windshield that's used on this vehicle. If you take a look at the Carrabbo show vehicle, you'll definitely see the similarity, the period correct louvers over the back, the gull wing doors, the cool wedge nose. It just screams early supercar. And this is a fiberglass replica, and this is Porsche powered. And as far as replicas go, this one is constructed rather well. It's a fiber fab creation who's made a million famous kit cars. Fiber fab called it the Aztec 7. And this one is a former show winner. And you could tell just by looking at the dash and so forth, this car was finished and did some driving. It's got 28,000 miles on the odometer. So that indicates this thing has been driven and it's been sorted out, as opposed to most muscle cars, which are not muscle cars, but kit cars, which are never quite finished. This one really is appointed quite well. Period stereo, overhead console, full instrumentation, and at that point in time, a cool digital clock. It's got vents. The headlights are actuated via this lever. It's pulled and the headlights come up and retract the same way. It's actually one of the easier cars to get in and out of with the gull wing doors. And the gull wings are on gas shocks, and the windows do open as well. And here's the look with the headlights non-retracted. And so it's manual, so that you don't have motors or anything like that to mess up. Period correct alloy wheels, quad exhaust back over here, connected to the Porsche fuel injected motor. Runs good, runs smooth, transmission works well, clutch, car stops, drives. The car has been in storage for a good while, so before any spirited or long distance driving are done, we'd suggest that full service is done on the car and fluids, just like you would with any used car. It's tremendously slick, just great angular lines. It's got a Countach type of feel to it, and it definitely attracts attention. No two ways about it. Fiberglass appears to be in good shape for its age. It's very nice. It's not a show car any longer. It's very nice. Something you can take to a car show. But perfection? No, it's not perfect. Fun to drive. Just a cool silhouette. Up here in the front is the gas tank. So what do we have back here on this beast? Well, it's Porsche power. Got a cool fuel injected Porsche motor. Runs sweet. It's got a early Jetronic fuel injection system on it. And we have a little storage box, kind of like a little trunken, so to speak, things like that, where the battery is held, and you know, you can put other items and stuff like that. So you've got several different areas to stow stuff up in the front and also in the back. The headlights work, the windshield wipers work. It's cool. It's amazingly well finished for a kit car. And this is definitely a very, very unusual one. The floor pan is very solid, super solid in fact. You'll have tons of fun with this car. There's no question about it. Well, why don't we do something cool? Let's go drive this thing. Let's go check it out.
Power. That sounded good, man.
Well, that was cool. It's always fun to drive this thing. If you'd like for us to answer some more questions, or you'd like to come take a look at the vehicle, we'd be happy to see you over at our facility in beautiful Southern California. You can reach us at driven.co, our website. Our phone number, 949-234-6353. And hopefully you'll come out and visit us. We'd be glad to show you this bad boy. Talk to you soon. All right, so what do we got in the back here? What do we got?
Sweeping guy.
I don't care if he's sweeping. You know, picture a sweeping guy, there he is.
Guy.